What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today should be a very exciting day. I just found out one of my buddies picked up a 9,000 mile Grand National. So we're headed up there to check it out. We got the T-tops off, the weather's beautiful, I got all my camera gear. This should be pretty epic. But listen, before we get into this video today, do me a favor. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. That little red button down there, do me a favor and hit that. I'm trying to grow this channel, and with your help, I can. I do appreciate each and every one of you, so just do me that quick favor. Hit that subscribe button right now. But let's head to Dunkin', grab a cup of coffee, and then head up to my buddies. This should be awesome. Good morning. Thank you. Who else has a Buick whose ashtray does that every time you close it and then you go to take off from a light and it opens? So annoying. After all these years of ownership, you think I'd figure it out? Nah. Holy shit, this car is clean. And it parks on better carpet than I have in my house. Look. This thing, definitely living that pampered life. What's that? Oh, we'll show you that in a later video. But let's go take this thing out for a ride. We'll do a full review on it and see what it's all about. It's an absolutely gorgeous car. I think you guys are really gonna like this. Let's do it. All right, so we just got to the location where we're gonna shoot, and pulling in, my steering felt weird, like it was like really pulling one way. So, and I was smelling something, and it smelled to me like brakes. And I pull into this spot, and my front left rotor is smoking. So I'm definitely gonna let that cool before I move it again. I don't know if the caliper's starting to seize up on me and just eating through the rotor or the pads, but it definitely did not look good. Stop smoking. But black car problems. You Buick guys know what I'm talking about. So apparently this vehicle has a dealer installed security system. If you look underneath here, let's see if we can show you guys. It has what's to be like a key that I guess you can turn on to activate or turn off the alarm system. Looks to be a dealer installed option, but one thing that bothers me is how crooked they put that sticker on. It's like, dude, you had one job, put a sticker on straight. That just bothers me. Again, it's an aftermarket item that was added from the dealer. Some tech probably just slapped it on the rear window, was happy because it was installed. But yeah, that's a pretty cool feature to have, original from the new car purchase. It is super clean. I love the way it looks. It has the new car smell inside of it. It's just phenomenal. It's an overall beautiful car. Alright guys, this is legit one of the cleanest Grand Nationals I've ever seen. 9,996 miles as it sits right now. Beautiful car, top to bottom. I love Grand Nationals. I've seen a million of them. Not many compare to this beauty right here. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this. We're gonna try to get some more shots of it before we head out, but yeah, it's been a great time. Got my car sitting over there. We're gonna probably head to Advanced Auto later and pick up some calipers, get some brake fluid and pads, and swap them out because we are definitely dealing with a seized caliper. We took the temperature gun out and it was 260 degrees compared to the other caliper, which was like $1.25. So that's gonna be today's project, but beautiful car. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to stay tuned for more future content. Otherwise, we're out of here.